In this video, we will review the Beauty Dot and see if it's actually a good investment. As you've noticed, it's priced at around 23,200 pesos, which is around $400 or $420. Beauty Dot is a powerful at-home radio frequency device for skin tightening with receiving mixed reviews. It has some positive feedback and reported benefits because users see improvements in fine lines, wrinkles, and skin firmness with using this. Some users also report smoother textures and reduced blemishes, and many find it simple to incorporate into their routine. However, some highlight excellent support for their or their issues. Meanwhile, there are also some negative feedback. A significant concern is burns, heat rash, and irritated bumps even on the lowest settings. Some users believe it's a cheaply available RF machine rebranded by Beauty. The small head size means treatment can take a long time, and some users experience difficult return process with costly international shippings. So do take note of that as well before buying this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you